Hi, I'm Fritz from Fritan Technology, and I'd like to tell you about our picture frame hanger called Framan Hanger, while Andrea demonstrates how easy it is to use. Here's how it works. Set your frame with the back side facing up on a work surface covered with a towel to protect the finish. Measure and find the center of the frame at the top, using template with cutout tape measure available at FramanHanger.com. Remove the adhesive liners and temporarily adhere the bracket. If you prefer to utilize pilot holes, there's an easy-to-use template on our website for that. This holds the bracket in place while it is permanently attached using a number 1 Phillips screwdriver. This system avoids the common hassle with traditional hangers of using tiny nails that are difficult to hold while keeping the bracket centered in place and trying to avoid hitting your thumb or marring the frame with your hammer. Just a few notes to keep in mind. Framan Hanger is intended for frames weighing less than 8 pounds. If your frame weighs more than this, any sawtooth bracket is not appropriate and a heavy-duty hanging system should be used. Framan Hanger is available at the Home Depot and at our website, FramanHanger.com. Now you can easily spruce up your room, put your family on display, or show off a diploma and merit certificate with Framan Hanger.